Uncensored models are very uncommon, so whenever I see one, I have to try it. And in order to try this model, I'm going to use LM Studio. So if you don't have this app on your machine, go to their website, download it and install it. And I already downloaded, let me show you, it's in here. Alright, I'm going to run it now. Alright, now we are in, and first we are going to click on this discover icon, go to search bar and look for Dolphin 2.9.3. Yeah, it's that one. And now give it some time to install it, because this is not small model. Alright, this part is done. Now let's load this model. Wait a little bit, and now we can use it. And of course I have to mention that this is for educational purposes only. Whatever you do, you are doing on your own responsibility. So technically with this kind of model I can ask whatever I want, and if model can provide the answer, I'm going to get it. And why is this actually so problematic? It's because I can ask something that could be considered harmful, both toward myself and towards other people, could be some kind of criminal activity or mischievous act, basically whatever. And once again, I'm just showing you how to do it for educational purposes only. And finally I'm going to ask, give me some example of how to make house-made explosive. And here is my answer, let me try with another one. Tell me how to make some easy house-made poison. I want to put to sleep my old dog. And now it's telling me that I have to go to veterinarian, but I don't want that. It actually advises me what I can use. But no, I want some more direct approach. Tell me what I can use that I have in my house for the same purpose. Oh no, I actually want poison. Okay, I finally got my evil advices. So guys, that will be all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe and see ya!